Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today we'll be making some smoked chicken green chili queso. All right, first thing we got to do for this smoked chicken green chili queso is we're going to spatchcock the chicken. Basically that is removing the backbone. We're going to cut on each side of the backbone with these shears. Today we're going to inject this chicken. What we're going to do is have some chicken stock, some melted butter, and your favorite hot sauce. First we're going to add some chicken stock, add the melted butter, add some hot sauce. We're going to turn this over. We're going to inject this chicken. What this injection is going to do is put some moisture in there and then add a lot of flavor. You want to keep this whisk because the butter will separate from the chicken stock. All right, once we injected it, we're going to take it out of the pan and we're going to season it. We're going to season this one with the saltier rub. Once it's seasoned up, we're going to put it on the smoker at 275 until the internal temperature is at 165. All right, we're going to take some of these peppers. We got some jalapenos, we got a poblano, some hatch chilies, and then finally some tomatoes. So all we're doing is cutting them lengthwise, put them in a pan, salt and pepper. All right, we're going to put these on here. Once the chicken's about done at 275. All right, let's check the chicken. Looks pretty good. We're at 163 in the white meat. That's pretty good. Here's a tip. Put your dark meat, your legs and your thighs to your hotter section. It won't dry out the white meat. So we're almost at 165, good enough. We're gonna pull it out to let it rest. All right, we're gonna take some of this Velveeta cheese. We're gonna put it in the mixing bowl. All right, then we're gonna take this chicken that's been resting for about a half hour. I'm gonna dice some of that up. All right, these peppers and tomatoes have been roasting for about 20-25 minutes. You don't want to get them too done. Tomatoes you want to kind of squeeze and get the liquid out of there. We don't want a soggy queso. We're going to take them out and dice them. But if you want to add some more flavor, some really good flavor, add a little bit of cilantro in there. We're going to put some oil in here to make sure it don't stick. Take a towel, just rub it in there. I'm gonna put this in that cast iron pan. All right, we're gonna put this on the smoker at 275 for about 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese gets all bubbly. All right, our queso's been in there for about 20-25 minutes. It's bubbly hot. Let's take it out. And there you have it, smoked chicken green chili queso.